If you say this, no woman will resist. Seriously, it's not about looks, not money, not even charm. It's how you make her feel, with just a few carefully chosen words. Let's break it down. Here are powerful psychology-based phrases that trigger emotional attraction and make a woman feel drawn to you without even realizing why. 1. I love how your mind works. This hits different. You're not just complimenting her looks, you're noticing her thoughts, her intelligence, her perspective. That's rare, that's magnetic. 2. There's something about you I can't quite explain, but it's pulling me in. This creates mystery. She'll start thinking, what is it? What does he see? Why me? And that curiosity keeps you on her mind. 3. I feel like I can be completely myself around you. This flips the script. You're the one opening up, and it makes her feel safe, chosen, and trusted. That emotional intimacy, it's irresistible. 4. Most people don't notice what you just did, but I did. Boom. You just saw her on a level most men miss. Whether it was a kind gesture, a quiet strength, or an inner struggle, you validated her soul, not just her surface. 5. You're different from anyone I've ever met. She's heard compliments before, but this one tells her she stands out in a way that's unforgettable, that she's not just another pretty face. 6. You don't even realize how beautiful you are when you not trying. It's not about her makeup. It's not about posing. It's about her natural essence, and now she knows you're drawn to the real her. 7. The way you see the world, it's refreshing. Now you're admiring her perception, her values, her soul, and that hits deeper than any physical compliment ever could. Here's the secret. You're not manipulating. You're connecting. You're speaking to the part of her that wants to be seen, not seduced. The part that's tired of surface-level games. The part that craves depth. Say these words when you genuinely mean them. When your tone is calm, your eye contact is real, and your presence is grounded. Because when you combine the right words with the right energy, that's when a woman feels something she can't resist, and she won't even know why. She just knows, I want to be near him.